So Jonathan teaches 11 different ways of attracting these cool premium leads. Are you doing all 11 or how many are you doing?
Oh, absolutely not. I may be doing two or three.
Two or three.
So I can't even say that I've really fully implemented even two or three of them. But just, implementing them a little bit at a time is getting me results. So
Okay.
it's pretty awesome.
Do you know how much GCI you've generated since attending the event?
Well over 100.
Well over 100. And that's less, that's this year.
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you think you might close the year? Have you figured that out yet?
Oh, a few hundred.
A few hundred.
Yeah.
And are you working more or less now?
Like I might have more clients in a month than I would have had previously, but I'm spending less time getting those clients
Okay.
or working on those transactions.
Okay. So you're spending more time doing than more time chasing.
Yeah.
Okay, very cool. So without the CPS3 event, do you think you would have been able to afford the Mach 1, Mach 1, Mach 3?
No.
No,
Probably not.
probably not.
It definitely put some tools in my belt that I didn't have before. That has made it a lot easier for me to connect with potential clients. It just put me in front of more people that are cool and awesome to work with, really.
Would you recommend this, the CPS3 event to other, experienced realtors?
Oh, absolutely. I've talked to a couple of my friends who've said, hey, I'm having a hard time. Wow, what are you doing? And I'm like, well, go attend this event.